Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. My name is Liz and I'm a Frenchie. Hey, oui. So if you hear an accent, then you know where it's coming from. This is my first video and I'm probably gonna hate it, but I've been delaying the start of my YouTube channel for the longest time ever. But here we are, and I say we because anywhere I go, I take you with me. So if somebody said to you, oh, have you been to Mexico? You say, yeah, I've been. And you say it with confidence. That's the goal. How they gonna know?
Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
By the way, this video has French subtitles for you guys, so I'm really teaching you a new language for free. And you're not gonna subscribe? Don't do that. But anyway, I've just landed in New York. It's pretty much late right now. I would have loved to go out, but it's not gonna happen. So tomorrow will be the day I do the most, and I do as much as I can because I only have 24 hours before going back to London. I would have loved to have footage of New York by night, but it's gonna be tight. I know it's gonna be tight, but let's see what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys appreciate the video. Let's go. So, time to go in the city and explore New York for the day. So we're now arriving to the station, so we're going to connect to get the underground, and it's freezing, it's so cold, like... What degree is it? Is it -2? -4
today.
Is it -4? No. The weather is crazy. It's different. It's cold. Like,
it's freezing cold.
I'm heading to the city.
Yes. Hello people.
With Olu.
Hey, how are you?
So his crew as well.
I am.
The funniest crew you ever have. Period.
If you ever see me in your fly, I'm the best.
But we're heading to the city now. Where we taking the underground?
Yeah, we're getting the metro. So we're getting air train now to Jamaica, and now get a metro down to the city. So we're going to Manhattan, Brooklyn Bridge as well.
Okay, it's fair.
So now watch our space season. I know, keep watching.
Mais je suis trop surpris de voir une Nigérienne, Nigeria, qui parle en français aussi fluide à ce point.
Parce que je suis née à Paris.
Mais il faut m'amener à Paris parce que moi j'ai plus envie de rester ici.
Wait a minute.
Quite speaking.
Taking a picture of that ugly mask on. I can take it. There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Beautiful woman, isn't it?
That damn picture.
Oh my God, she's Lizzy. Everyone loves her in New York.
Are y'all together?
We're together, yeah.
Oh, where y'all coming from?
From London.
London?
Yeah. England, yeah. She like you over there.
Oh, hey, wait a minute. I was on tour with James Brown.
Oh, wow.
So, I just went inside the station for free because the guy let me in. You see, when you go French connection, when you go connection, you go through for free everywhere.
Just speak the language.
Yeah. The guy let me through. He was like, you're my sister. Just go. He opened the door and he let me go through. You see the connections? It pays in life. It pays off. Alright, so now where are we going? Are you going Brooklyn Bridge? We're gonna take the line, we're gonna take the underground now, and see how it goes.
This is a Manhattan-bound East local train. The next stop is Jamaica Van Wyck.
My fingers are frozen. This snow is serious. This is so crazy. My fingers are frozen. I'm not even lying, on God. Like, my fingers, I can't feel them. But at least it's a bit sunny. There's snow everywhere. There is snow everywhere. Oh my God. No, that weather is something else. Even London is not like this. This is the snow in New York in February. It's covered. And it's like, it's not even like it's like a small layer. My feet can't even go in. It's crazy. Yeah. I'm even falling down. Oh my God. The snow. My feet is going down. Oh my God. Oh. So we are now arriving in Times Square, but I'm not gonna lie to you, Times Square is way more beautiful at night, and I'm gonna see if I can put some footage of Times Square by night, because you're gonna see that it's so different. So now it's getting a little bit warm. Thank God for that, because at least I haven't got my gloves on now, so it's a little bit better. But I'm in Times Square. It's quiet for us, maybe because it's Sunday. It's quiet for now, and unfortunately I can't wait until it's night time, because I got a flight to catch tonight back in London. This guy, we're supposed to take pictures, but look what he's doing. I'm tired of him. I'm so tired of him. I'm so done with you. This guy. Oh my God. Niger everywhere.
Niger for life. Okay.
This is the Empire State Building. It's so high. I'm literally bending myself for you guys. It's beautiful though. But you can go in there. I think you can go in there for like $120 to go to the top. So go for it, guys. Me, I'm on a budget, honey, so I'm good. But you do you, okay? You do you. This is giving me Sex and the City vibes. Oh my God, I missed that series. Who was watching it? Did you watch? We all watched it anyway, at least once in our life. Don't lie, we all watched it. Just for Samantha. Don't lie. a very cute view, and it's almost sunset time, so the sun is going down, as you can tell. The bridge is going down, down, down. Literally, I've been crossing so much so far, and it's still going all the way down. Please don't die. I almost died as well. Oh my god, I almost died. If you come to the bridge, walk on the right side, do not walk on the left side. I almost died, not knowing people with bikes were on the left side. But hey, you learn as you go. You feel me? Wow. This is something else. Wow. I was doing fangirl the whole day with no scarf on, but this weather, no. People from New York are actually saying that this is warm, and I'm like, I beg your pardon, it's freezing. Can you feel that? This is how people are vibing. Let me show you. People are vibing, and I'm here with my scarf. People are vibing here. Why did nobody tell me there was a pool here? Why? So guys, I'm back in my hotel room, and I'm so vexed that no one has ever told me there was a jacuzzi pool on the rooftop of the hotel. But I swear to God, next time I'm in New York, watch me. And I really need to get ready now because I got a flight to catch in half an hour. But guys, I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe for more. But thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you next. Bye. So guys, I'm back in my hotel. Who gonna know? Welcome, 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 welcome everyone. Welcome.
1 hour later.
But I've been delaying but anyway, subscribe. I'll wait. Do you want me to wait? I can wait. I got time.